Welcome back. This is Benjamin from Firepit and we're going to be grilling up some vegetables. So I got some hardwood charcoal in the pit, getting ready to go. I live in Okinawa, so hardwood's hard to find. So I found this. They sell it at most DIY stores and big grocery stores. And it's a hickory wood that I found to be amazing for both vegetables and beef, and that's my go-to if I'm cooking beef or vegetables. So I'm going to cook all my vegetables in this little basket, so you can use whatever vegetables that you like. So I'm going to set up the grill real quick, and we'll come back and we'll build this basket. So thank you for stopping by, openfirepitcooking.com. This is Benjamin. Welcome back. We got the grill set up. And we're going to build our veggie basket. So I like these little baskets. You can get them at any place you get your grills at. And I just like using frozen vegetables. So I just get a couple mixtures of vegetables. Like this is summer vegetables. Got some squash in there. And that's a potato blend of vegetables. I'm just using frozen vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables that you want. And this here is a garden blend. The summer squash. So I just put all my vegetables in there in this basket, and you can season them up whatever you want. So use the oil like butter, or I'm going to use olive oil in this. So I'm just going to sprinkle some olive oil all over it. And then I like using McCormick's vegetable seasoning. This stuff is amazing. So I like putting this on a lot of my vegetables, and sometimes I even add it to like my meat rubs, but this is good. So once again, we're cooking over a fire, and there's all these holes in this mesh basket, so don't be afraid to hit it pretty hard. And I'm sprinkling some garlic, some of this roasted garlic on there as well. And then that's all you gotta do. And then you just take this basket and throw it back here somewhere where it can slowly smoke and roast and heat up. And that's pretty much it. So those will be amazing in a little bit, so we'll be back. Thank you for stopping by, openfirepitcooking.com. This is Benjamin. We're going to check on our veggies. So we pulled them off. This is our veggie basket. So I don't like to overcook my vegetables. I like them still firm. So these vegetables, the potatoes are pretty soft. My squash is pretty soft. My broccoli is good to go. So I think this is done. We'll be back when we plate it up. Welcome back. This is Benjamin from Firepitcooking.com, and we're going to pull our vegetables off and plate it up. So I got my vegetables on there. There's my asparagus. Throw some meat on there as well, so get some nice good skirt, some sausage, so I hope you enjoyed stopping by. Dinner served.